There are 5 recurring issues to be aware of when installing and using a ToF camera, which I will now demonstrate one by one. ToF technology measures distance by firing a laser at a target object and returning it to the sensor. Therefore, the optical path of the ToF camera must not be obstructed. For example, NICS 650 has a FOV of 70 horizontally, 50 vertically. When a table occludes the field of view in front of the camera, a portion of the depth data is lost. Similarly, there must be no occlusion on all sides within the camera's field of view. Second, please avoid placing objects too close to the camera during use, as nearby objects may cause invalid depth data on the black tray. Third, please don't cover the camera with any panels, for example, glass, acrylic, as this will invalidate test data. Fourth, highly glossy or reflective objects and materials tend to cause significant stray light phenomena, such as the box with reflective strips in the video, which in turn affects the depth data. In dusty environments, adding a protective cover may block camera cooling. Use an IP67 rated camera instead. If a cover is necessary, ensure it's metal and tightly bonded to the ToF camera housing with thermal conductive silicone. Do not install any protective cover in front of the camera.